So I'm chatting to Fatemeh Mokhtari today from the University of Wollongong. How are you going?
Good, thank you, Sam. Thanks for your invitation to have this chat.
No, it's a pleasure. Thanks so much for your time. Are you working from home today, I'm assuming?
Yes, these days, as the same as others, I'm working from home
Yeah,
and enjoying being with family at home.
yeah, definitely. That's the best way to do it. It's obviously difficult times, and it's been an interesting time for you because you're finishing up your PhD. How's that been, towards the end of your PhD, with the restrictions and whatnot?
In fact, this situation didn't affect my procedure for writing theses because I was just at home and writing my thesis and submitting. So I didn't have to do any more experimental tests. So I just stayed at home and write my thesis and submit it.
That's good to hear. And speaking of your PhD, what brought you to Wollongong and the University of Wollongong to do it?
As the same as others, after my graduation, I was looking for a PhD position, and through our research team, I understood that here in IPIR, Javad has the same research area, so I was in contact with him through emails, and I also applied for the scholarship. And after I got that, I moved to Australia with my spouse in 2016.
So where are you originally from?
From Iran.
So speaking about your PhD, what's the focus of it?
My PhD project was about self-powered smart fabric for wearable technology, and the aim of the project was to fabricate and characterize piezoelectric composite fibers to be integrated to the textile material to energy harvest of human body, mechanical movement, and convert this energy to electricity to charge the portable electronic devices. And also these fibers used as a sensor for health monitoring. And the other application of this piezoelectric fiber was in tissue engineering, special bone tissue engineering.
And what were some of the outcomes that you found throughout that project?
I had some papers and review paper, and also I published a book chapter.
Great stuff. So how about some key technical and also non-technical skills that you obtained throughout your PhD?
During this 4-year PhD, there are lots of technical skills such as characterization technique, working with different instruments, and working with new softwares, and also how to write scientific papers. And as highlighted in my papers, some of them. But the important things, I think it is non-technical skills such as time management, how to work with team, and also how to build collaboration and how to have successful collaboration and how to extend our scientific network. And above all of these, a practical work for how to be patient during this research work.
Great. And this is the question that everyone gets asked when they're finishing up their PhD, and it's an exciting one and also maybe a little bit of a daunting question, but what's next for you and your career?
At the moment, I'm looking for a postdoc position to extend my skill, knowledge, and experience. But due to this current situation of the COVID economics crisis that affected some of the position, it makes us more challenging. So I hope all of us pass this situation soon and successfully, and I hope to find a good and appropriate position.
And probably an even harder question, but where would you like to see yourself in, say, 5 or 10 years' time?
Good question, Sam. In 5 years, I would like to be lucky enough to bring my technical knowledge and my technical skill to commercialization, and to see how my research work can be practically useful. And I'm interested to see that work with the industry and scientific researcher in a team and bring researchers, support of the university and government, and also business development person in a group to make a pattern to reach this goal.
Great. Sounds like a very exciting future. Congratulations on your achievements so far, and thanks so much for time today.
Thank you. Thanks so much, Sam.